Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of Tech Basics. In this tutorial video, we'll learn how to log into American Express credit card. So, without further ado, let's get into the video. First step is to open your browser. Here I'm using Google Chrome. After opening your browser, click on the search engine and type in americanexpress.com. It will lead you to the official page of American Express. If you can see this logo here, then it means you are on the right page. Now, this is the home page of the official American Express. On the top navigation bar on the right, you can see the login option. Click on it. Now you need your user ID and your password. So type in your user ID. Now type in your password. Now click on the account type. Here you can see different options and make sure that you click on cards and banking. Now you can click on this box if you want the browser to save your information, or you can leave it unchecked. Now if you have forgotten your user ID or password, you can click on this link and recover it. And if you don't have an account, you can click on this link and create a new account. Now click on login, and following the simple steps, you are now able to log into American Express credit card. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to comment down below if you have any confusions. Thank you.